So what you're gonna need is a T45 for the big bolts underneath the bumper, small 8mm for the small bolts inside the wheel arch, and a flathead screwdriver to plastic removal tool if you have that. But if you don't have, you just take your flathead screwdriver with a microfiber cloth and then you can pop everything out. So this is what you're gonna need to get the bumper done. So let's get started. So to start off with, you'll need to take this 8mm bolt out here. There's a small plastic clip right here. So you can just use a flat screwdriver to take this out. So, to get the bumper off, after you take the screw and the plastic trim holder over there, you'll need a T45. And then if you have a plastic trim removing tool, that's better. But if you don't, you can use a flathead screwdriver and a microfiber cloth. And then you have to pry this from the upside of it and just pry it down. So, take a screwdriver or your plastic removing tool. Just like take it out like this. Like that. And if you have your parking sensors, it's just one small clip here. Push that down, then you can pull it out. There's two big screws holding the whole bumper. One here and one here. Right there, and the other one is on the other side. So you see. It can be quite hard to get to it without damaging the old bumper, and if you want to sell it or replace it at one point, just use a microfiber cloth against it, and then you can push a bit towards it and it will not happen anything to it. The last thing to do, this small black clip here, just pry it out like this. Like this, then do it to the other side as well. So now it's loose. You just pull it. This. So the parking sensors can be stuck like mine was, and this, I actually do not know what this is, to be quite honest, but let's take it off this bumper anyways. Now we need a screwdriver right here. 1 second.
Hold din albue nede.
There's another one over here. watch out when you're pulling out the bumper because you can scratch it as I did. Quite annoying, but it's okay because I'm gonna repaint the whole car, so it doesn't matter. But watch out if you're not gonna repaint your car when you pull it, so you don't pull it upwards, otherwise you'll scratch the car. And do the same to the other side. This has two screws. So, one here. Like that. And the old bumper is off. I'm not sure what this is, to be honest, but I'm just gonna put it back because it wasn't my other bumper. So to have everything as it was before. If you want to make it easier for yourself, just make a little hole like that, and then put it in without the bumper first, like so. Then take it out again. And then you can put it much easier in. Like this. And then do the same up here. This, then do the same on the other side again. But the problem I had is the reason I couldn't reach because I had the car jacked up so I could get to the screws behind in the wheel arch. So just take your car back down, and then you can put the screws in. And then you can actually hit the screws. So, and then like this. Like this. Then take your parking sensor and hit that. Perfect. Make sure it stays, doesn't like get out again. So, and then just put a 2 in the middle. Do it right here. You can actually do it once you get the bumper on, but then you have to like feel it with your fingers and you can't like see it properly, so that's why I'm doing it now. So you have to get the bumper around these. So if you look at the old bumper over here, this is the part that goes around the plastic. So you have to hit both sides. If you're alone, if you don't have a friend to help you with it, you can start with one side. You can start with taking the whole bumper in the middle, lifting it up and just aligning it, like so. Then you go over to the one side. And that's happening. So just line one of the sides up like this. If it'll stay, maybe, if I'm lucky. Then you go to the other side. It doesn't stay. That's hard. I failed. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask my friend to help me. I'm gonna get my friend to help me with putting it on, because it's easier when you're two guys. So let's get it on. So, to get these long bolts back in, there's two small holes, one here, and then one by the exhaust right here. So, put the clip in again now, as soon as you're done. Then you take your 8mm. Here. Like so. Perfect. And then you take this clip I showed you before. I think the guy who had this bumper before me just pulled it off, because I cannot get the clip to sit properly now. For now, this is fine. Now let's go to the other side. Take your black plastic clip again, put it in the small hole all the way down here, and then push it in with your fingers like so. Then you can take the 8mm bolt and get it up here. Like so. So this clip holds it, so that's perfect. The other side doesn't work. And that's actually it.